Hello there, Richard Green with a special weather advisory for the northern part of New Zealand as the subtropical low bears down on the North Island, delivering heavy winds and also some heavy rain associated with it as well. It should gradually ease as it moves south, but the potential is there for some damage. Temperature-wise, it's near normal, and then tonight a little above average for many North Island districts, and then tomorrow quite warm across much of the nation except central and eastern parts. Let's look at Auckland's forecast, and it's wet and windy over the next 2 to 3 days. Let's take a look at today, that cloud thickening up and some rain developing with heavy falls later this afternoon and into this evening as well. The winds picking up too, easterly at first, tending southwest tomorrow, and very gusty in exposed places as well. Temperatures a little cooler than what you'd expect for September. On to Wellington, and the cloud thickens up as well, and the winds start to rise too from the easterly direction. Temperatures today looking at around 13 or 14 degrees for the capital, and then tonight that rain starts to move in. Might be more this evening though, and then during Tuesday, in fact make that Wednesday, it looks like it's going to be fairly wet and windy for much of the day. On to Christchurch, and today mainly cloudy conditions. Tomorrow some rain moves in too. It's going to be cold. Temperatures today struggling to hit 10 or 11 degrees for the Garden City. Lots of cloud, patchy drizzle developing later, and then tomorrow it's going to be cold and also some rain at times with easterly winds, may tend southeasterly at times for the city. On to southern New Zealand, and today quite bright, partly cloudy conditions for many places, especially inland, but then tomorrow quite a different story. Grey skies with some rain in eastern areas and cool temperatures as well. It's going to be warm for the west coast today. Westport 21 degrees. Cool in the east though. Christchurch tomorrow 10. Ashburton just 9 degrees the maximum, with chilly conditions expected. Now for lower North Island areas, it's going to be pretty breezy today, and that wind tomorrow starting to howl through the strait, affecting Wellington, Upper and Lower Hutt as well particularly. Central North Island districts today, it's looking quite gloomy. That rain starting to build late today or into tonight, and tomorrow the winds wildest along the west coast. For Bay of Plenty and also Gisborne, a heavy rain warning is in force for both of these areas, and also high winds are expected as well, starting later today and into tomorrow. They're expected to ease later. Now, for the remainder of the North Island, look at that subtropical low and those high winds pushing in, and we can see tomorrow as it treks south, that wind will tend west-southwesterly and still very, very gusty. That is the latest in New Zealand weather.